Welcome, here I've got Gigaset GX290 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera watermark at this device. So at first we have to tap on a camera button here to open it, and as you can see for now we are in the standard photo mode. Now let's go to the right corner. By tapping on this button we get access to some more advanced camera options, and one of this is the brand watermark. So by tapping on this we can turn it on and turn it off like that. So the yellow color suggests that this is turned on. Let me keep this on this way, and now let me take a photo. Now let's go here to the left corner at the bottom. When we tap on this we get quick access to the gallery. So this is our picture, and as you can see here in the left corner we have the device watermark, so photo by GX290. This is how it works, and of course when we don't need it we go back to the settings in the right corner, tap on this. So for now this is turned off. When we take another picture the watermark should be not visible. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.